Hey, Roland Cassidy, Carroll Street Classics, back at you. I always say check it out because that's my cue for 1 minute, these short videos that I don't have to upload on YouTube. I can send them to the customers. But this thing's got a beautiful, super straight body. It's got the blacked out tail panel. That would represent a big block car in '68. But you can see all the chrome, all the bezels, all the trim. This is under fluorescent light here. It would show all the imperfections. This thing is gorgeous. No chips, no scratches, no dents, no dings, no rust. Got the simulator stacks. I'm gonna start this thing up for you. Got all new glass. We did an extensive amount of restoration work on this thing. I'm gonna fire it up for you. You can hear it run. Whoa, listen to that. Check it out at carrollstreetclassics.com.